In the SOPs and Task Manager, you can set this up a couple of different ways. So here I have it set up where each board or each group is based upon a time frame. So tasks that happen one time, tasks that happen weekly, monthly, quarterly. If you have clients, you could do client one, client two, client three, client four. And inside each of the specific categories or groups or boards, however you want to call them, you can manage the specific task for that project inside of there. Another way that you could do it is you could have one specific task manager like this, and then you could have things like your monthly marketing plan, so more strategic documents here as well. And I already included a template for you, so you don't even need to worry about it. So it has like the workflow details, it breaks down the monthly plan, the KPIs. So it walks you through and pulls in everything that you need to plan for that specific month. You could also use this for specific SOPs. So let's say that you are a web design agency and you have a specific SOP for how you do websites for product based businesses, and you have a SOP specifically for how you do websites for service based businesses. When you click here, new, you'll see a list of templates come up. So I already created a monthly marketing plan template. And when you click here, you can actually make it repeat. So I can have a new one of these be created or generated every month on a set dates. So I can say on the 5th of every month, I want a monthly marketing plan to be generated. And that will tell my marketing manager, that they need to come in here and fill this out for the following month, for example. But if you have specific SOPs, you could create a template for product website, service based website, brand guidelines, whatever those SOPs are, you can create different templates. And then as you have different clients or different projects come in, you would just assign that template to each client. So I'll give you an example here. Let's create a new template. Let's say this is SOP for web design. And we have, I'm going to do to-do list, and you need to get the logo, we need to get the about, we need to get the copy, we need to get the mood board done, we need to send over the mock-up, we need to get approval, and then we need to get final revisions, and then final sign off. And this obviously is a very, very ghetto, quick to-do list, but you get the point. So let's say within here, you might want to have like video, you might want to embed like a video walking somebody through, or link to a Loom video walking them through like how to get a logo, how to get the about page, how to design, whatever. So you can have your whole process or workflow outlined here. Once you hit back, it'll save it. And then where we have web design. So let's say I got a client A. I can apply the SOP for web design, and it'll all be in here. Now, let's say, I get client B, and then client B wants logo designs. I create here, I create a logo design template here, right? Client B, logo design, boom, the template goes in there. Same thing. Let's say client C comes and they also want a logo design, boom, add in the checklist here, right? So again, you can manage this multiple different ways, but the templates are the secret sauce. The templates are what allow you to quickly be able to add different workflows and processes in here without you constantly having to repeat yourself, right? Same thing with the monthly marketing plan. Let's say that was the April one. I click here, boom, I can edit this and make this the May, or make this June, right? And then it'll populate here for us. It's running a little slow as I record, but it populates. There we go. So it'll be here, and then all the things for June would live in here. So again, you can set this up however it makes the most sense for your company. And just really think about how you have like your other project management system currently set up, or or how you work. Like, do you work by task? Do you work by client? Do you work by service type? So you could have that all built out in here. And within each page, it's pretty cool because you can add in like all types of blocks. So you can add in to dos, you can add in tables, you can add in videos, you can embed websites, right? You don't have to click out to go to the website. You can see the website directly in there. You can record audio, literally upload files. So if you wanted to like embed a mood board in here, you could put the mood board in here. Literally everything that you need can be added here, including AI. So you can build out your templates to house everything that you need. The next thing that I want to show you is the content. So here, when you go to content, this is set up to have some prompts already pre-created for you using AI. So you would go to new, you're drafting something, you would put the name. So I'm going to do top brunches in Dallas, right? I'm going to open this up. Initiative is if it's tied to anything like a specific event, launch, or something, you can link it to a specific initiative in the calendar, when is it getting published, the status, and then the type. And then again, here you already have some templates, but you can add in your own depending on the content that you create for your brand. So we're going to go here to blog posts. It's going to populate, right? So here in the outline section, I want to do top hip hop brunches in Dallas. And then the main points I want to be covered are weekday, Saturday, and Sunday brunch spots. Underneath, you'll see generated posts. And then here in this purple box, you have the actual AI prompts. So I'm writing a blog post geared towards Black entrepreneurs. So you would edit this, you would edit the tone, you would edit how many words, right? If you want a longer post, a shorter post, your audience, the type of tone, etc. And then it will write it based upon the outline that you gave it above. And then once you hit update, it will generate it for you using AI, which is super cool, right? And then this is all here ready to go. Let's say it was created. Then I'm going to go in, move it over to in progress, and that will tell, for example, let's say my marketing coordinator or my editor to come in here and double check. Okay, are these things true? Do a couple of Google searches, make sure these places are still open, add in specific links, add in any pictures, but the actual post is already written. The same thing is happening for the other categories. So for social media posts, ideas, podcasts, etc., you'll have a outline or a prompt that you need to fill in, and then you would generate it with AI. So again, depending on your specific workflow, you can change this however you see fit to adjust based on like the types of content, the types of templates, and what kind of outputs you want. But this is just a good place to kind of get started. And all of these videos you can find here in the training hub. So you can go in and you will find each of the videos for the sections also listed here in case you need more explanation and more context for the other sections of the template.